tour video. Me in Indiana. Yeah, we're traveling in Quickie. And today, guys, I had something amazing. I saw the arch.
In St. Louis?
Yeah.
Is that pretty cool?
Yep.
Was it bigger or smaller than you thought it was going to be?
Bigger?
Yeah, you want to show everybody the bathroom?
Here's Jade's bathroom.
Yeah, I don't...
Here's our bathroom. A full roll of toilet paper. Call 991 to get toilet paper.
Don't do that. Don't do that.
Yeah.
Don't do that.
Ready?
Yeah, a big bed to share.
This. Dad gets this couch and I get this one.
Yeah.
No, I get this one.
You want to go say hello to your cat? He's trying to find a spot to...
Hi, kitty. This is the cat you'll want for your whole life.
Is it?
You'll want him to live forever.
Yeah, for
And
sure.
you.
You gonna say hi to him?
Hi.
All right, bud. You good?
Mm-hmm.
All right, say goodbye to everybody.
Bye.
Bye. Hold up, you're playing with the cat. Everybody likes the cat. Likes the cat. Jason, say hello to everybody. They've all had nice things to say about you.
Yeah.
You want to take...
Viewers, would you want to marry this bride?
I don't think the...
Says yes.
Yeah.
Okay, you may now kiss the bride.
All right, bye.